This is a 1941 Lincoln Continental. It's a 12-cylinder. And that's the original V12 engine in it. And what we'll do here is we'll do the lights first. That's a running, oh, headlights are on. You can just barely see them, but they're on, and the running lights. Hit the brights. Okay, you can see them. Blinkers.
Side working.
Yep. This side, which is your left, and then the right's working. I'll walk around over here. It's kind of a bright day. It's hard to see the lights, but they're working. Those are Coker Classic wide white wall tires. They're new or newer. Look like they haven't even been driven on. Still got some of the little tips on them. And we'll go through the lights here.
Brake.
There's the brake. You can see it in the upper window. Hit the brakes again, Brian. There it is. And there's the blinker, left blinker. Right blinker. You see the full skirts. Engine runs great. This is a nice car, nice paint. The trim and all the chrome is absolutely perfect. It's show quality. It's all been redone. And we'll come over here and take it for a little ride. There's the windshield wipers. Hit the horn. There it is. You can see how nice all the trim is on here, even the gold. Grill is perfect. Interior is all very, very nice. Leather and cloth. Nice headliner. And we'll take it for a little ride. Radio does not work. All the gauges work. Speedometer, odometer. Engine's quiet. It actually has a synchromesh transmission. You can hardly hear that engine running. It's quiet. The car is basically all original. Engine's been rebuilt. Beautiful two-door coupe. If you're looking for a nice 1941 Lincoln Continental two-door coupe V12, give Nick a call at 586-453-9316. This car's been well taken care of, drives nice, just a great car to own, take to car shows, and a good investment.